Xiaomi 14 Ultra unveils striking design ahead of MWC 2024. Excitement is building in the tech community as Xiaomi prepares for its highly anticipated showcase at MWC 2024 on February 25. Anticipation is reaching a fever pitch as all signs point to the grand debut of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra flagship, promising a wave of innovation. In a thrilling sneak peek, official renderings of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra have surfaced, providing enthusiasts with a comprehensive view of the device from every angle. One intriguing design element is the introduction of a bezel encircling the expansive camera island, elevating the device's aesthetic appeal. Keen-eyed observers have also noted a refinement in the typography surrounding the esteemed Leica logo, aligning with previous leaks. The renderings present the Xiaomi 14 Ultra in two captivating color variants, white and black. Noteworthy is the construction of both iterations, featuring vegan leather that adds a touch of luxury while highlighting Xiaomi's dedication to sustainable materials. Despite the term plastic-based panels, the allure of vegan leather enhances the handset's overall premium feel. A closer examination reveals antenna markings on the frame, suggesting an aluminum build. However, speculation in the tech realm hints at Xiaomi potentially opting for a titanium solution, keeping in line with the latest trends in smartphone craftsmanship. As the countdown to Xiaomi's MWC 2024 event persists, both enthusiasts and industry insiders find themselves on the edge of their seats, eagerly anticipating the official unveiling of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra flagship. With enticing teasers and promising leaks, Xiaomi is poised to redefine smartphone innovation once again.